So let's do an example using the sine function. So let's start off with a right angle triangle. And this is a right angle here. Now let's say we're given this angle is 78 degrees and the length r here is going to be 105 meters, and we're told to find this height here, y. We know from our trigonometry that the ratio y upon r is going to equal the sine of 78 degrees, and we can get this ratio y upon r from our calculator. So therefore we can say that the distance y is going to equal r sine of 78 degrees. So we can put our value for our r in, so we can say y is going to equal 105 times the sine of 78 degrees. So now we just got to put this into the calculator and find out what the length of y is. So let's put our values into the calculator. We had 105 times the sine of 78 degrees, and that's going to give us 102.7 meters. So let's go and we'll look at another example. So let's clear this one off and we'll look at another example. So let's say we've got a triangle here, and again it's a right angle triangle, and we're told that this length here is 95 meters. So this is our y, this is our x, this is our r, and let's say this angle in here is 15 degrees, and we're told to find this length r. Now we know from our trigonometry we can write y upon r is equal to the sine of 15 degrees. That is, we can get the ratio y upon r just by putting the sine of 15 degrees into our calculator. So therefore we're able to put the values in. So for y it's 95, so we can put 95 upon r is equal to the sine of 15 degrees. So finally what we can say is r is going to equal 95 divided by the sine of 15 degrees. So this is our final answer, and we can put this into the calculator and find the value for r. So let's put our values in. We're going to have 95 divided by the sine of 15 degrees, and that tells us that the distance r is going to be 367 meters.